my subscribers and views as of July 7th of 2014. Now, to this date, 2 years ago, I created a video which was one of these update videos. This is what my subscribers and view count looked like. And if you look when this video was posted, it was July 7th of 2012. So that is exactly 2 years ago. So we went from 87 all the way to 1,347. I mean, that's just insane, guys. In 2 years' time, I've progressed that much. You guys make me want to keep doing this. It's the support that you guys give me for making these videos. It really does, like, I don't know, it's hard to put it into words, but I'm really appreciative of everybody because this is what I love to do. I'm not really doing it to like impress anybody. I'm just doing it to share my feelings and my hobby with the internet, and apparently you guys are enjoying it because of that right there. Well, boys, here it is. This is March 31st at 3:06 a.m. 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I am absolutely blown away. I never thought this day would happen. I'm seriously at a loss for words right now. I'm getting all emotional. I feel like I could cry right now. Wow. All I have to say is thank you guys for the continued support. I really appreciate it. And man, this is I can't believe it. Well, guys, here we are. 100,000 subscribers. So what's going on, guys? Riley here. This video is nothing fancy. There's no burnouts. There's no crazy car stuff happening in this video. If you're expecting that, come back later this week. I've got plenty of that for you. This video is simply just a thank you video for 100,000 subscribers. Also, as a thank you, a little bit later in this video, I will be giving away a bunch of giveaway details of how you can win 2 GoPro Hero 5 sessions and 10 t-shirts from BecauseRaceCarStore.com. Not, you wouldn't win all 10, it goes to 10 different people. 12 people are winning something, so we'll get into that. But like I said, first off, just wanted to say thank you guys. 100,000 subscribers was always my ultimate YouTube goal. I know some people are like, I want to get 1 million or 500,000. Mine was just simply 100,000. And thanks to you guys, you know, we finally have achieved it here on the RP Productions YouTube channel. This really is a dream come true, and it blows my mind how far this channel has come. Kind of like you saw in the beginning of this video. You know, I was ecstatic. I was like, man, I've got like 80 something subscribers, and I was just so happy for that. And so now to fast forward, what, 6 years since that first initial update video, and be at 100,000, that is mind-blowing. And second off, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that has helped in the production of any video on the channel, whether that was offering your car for a car review or just being in a video, whatever it was. I appreciate all of you, so thank you guys so much. My friend group, my support group, you guys are awesome. I love you guys. Thank you all for always being there for me and adding a little bit of sense of humor to my videos, because doing it all on your own sometimes is a little bit rough. So when you have some good friends to back you up, it makes things a little easier. I started this YouTube channel in 2009, so how old was I? I believe I was 12 years old at the time. I could be wrong on that. 21 now, so you can do the math. But I guess that means this channel has been active for 9 years now, and we're just now hitting 100,000 subscribers. Now granted, I haven't been taking it, you know, seriously for all 9 years. But I guess that just goes to show you guys, just stick with something and you can achieve your dreams. I've never really thought this was possible, but here we are. But where I was going with that was, I started this YouTube channel with Sean. We started off doing remote control car videos. If you go way back into the archives of RP Productions, you'll see this channel used to be called Monster RC Dudes, and we did like remote control car and plane videos. Just simple stuff, just being silly, having a good time as kids. I want to say we did that for probably 3-ish years, and honestly, in those 3 years, we never monetized a single video because, quite frankly, we didn't know how. So Sean and I did YouTube together for a really long time, not making a dime off of it, just doing it because we thought it was fun. And then I guess it was about the time we turned 16 and got into real car stuff. That's when we kind of strayed away from the remote control car videos and that sort of thing. But if you guys have some free time, go way back into the past and go check out some of our really old videos. There's some pretty funny ones. And you can kind of see, you know, how we've progressed, where it was just something super simple and now, well, it's still pretty simple. But once again, just wanted to say thank you guys. I really do appreciate it, and it's really hard to put it into words just how thankful I am. And I guess that means I might as well give some stuff away, because who doesn't love free stuff? So now, with all of that being said, let's get into the giveaway details about what you're going to win and how to win. So first off, 2 of you are going to win a GoPro Hero 5 Session. These little suckers are really awesome. You can start your own YouTube channel, or if you have one already, you can use this as a backup camera, whatever you want to do with it. These little suckers are awesome. I love GoPros. So yeah, 2 of you guys are going to win these things. And then 10 of you are going to win a free t-shirt from BecauseRaceCarStore.com. You can go browse his website, and he's got a bunch to choose from. I'll put the link down below in the description if you want to get a general idea of what t-shirt you may want if you do win, or just buy a t-shirt regardless even if you don't win. But yeah, gonna be giving away 10 t-shirts. So Sean doesn't know this yet, so we'll see what he has to say about that. But yeah, 10 t-shirts, Sean. Woo! So now the most important thing you need to know is how to win the giveaway. So really simple. Step 1, you have to have an Instagram account. If you don't have an Instagram, unfortunately you can't win. Good news is it's free to make one. So second, you're gonna comment on this video and leave your Instagram name. You can just say whatever else you want. You can just leave your name, doesn't matter. But leave your Instagram name so that way I have a way to contact you if you do win. The 2 people that win the GoPros, I will have to message you guys on Instagram and get your address to send you the GoPros. And the 10 people that win the shirts, I will message you on Instagram with a discount code on Sean's website, BecauseRaceCarStore.com. That will basically just enable you to plug in that code and you'll get a free shirt. Now that's pretty much all there is to it. Just leave your Instagram name, and just like that, you're entered to win. I mean, I guess if you want to subscribe, if you haven't already, that'd be cool too. But yeah, just leave your Instagram name and that's all you gotta do. So that pretty much sums up this video. Just wanted to dedicate a video to saying thank you, dedicate a video to the giveaway. I promise I'll be back with a ton of fun things planned the rest of this week. I've got some big surprises in store for you guys, including a very large burnout for 100,000 subscribers, which can't show you in this video, but I'll play you a little sound clip of it. Oh yeah, it's a good one. I know I've said this about 40 times already, but thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. I guess next up will be 200,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can get there. But yeah, that's it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take it easy. And good luck in the giveaway.